Japanese candlesticks are a graphic representation of an asset's price action during a given time frame. Japanese candlesticks can represent any time frame, from seconds to years. Each candlestick contains four elements: open, first trading price within a time frame; high, highest or maximum recorded price in a period; low, lowest or minimum recorded price in a period; close, last trading price within a time frame. Candlesticks can be bullish or bearish depending on the price movement. Bullish candle, a candle that has a higher closing price than the open. These instances are usually green on charts. A bearish candle has a higher open price than the closing price, usually displayed in red. The body of a candle describes the price range between the open and close. Terms like shadows, whisks, and tails represent the difference between a candle's body and its highs or lows. Each candlestick depicts a battle between bulls and bears, moving the price higher or lower. For example, a candle's long body means that buyers or sellers were stronger and took control, indicating intense buying or selling pressure over a period. Short candle bodies indicate overall low buying or selling activity. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.